I let you get in my way.
Sometimes you just gotta embrace the hate.
Y'all niggas might think it's a fake. Before I let you get in my way.
It's more than music. Born, you live, and you
Before
die.
I let you get in my
Make
way.
the best out of it. Streets hours. Hey, Jay, I see you. Look, got a lot to prove, they told me. Rock solid with the narcotics when a powder movie make Foley. Now with the cops calling, I'm just a cop talking. Feel like a lot of you niggas owe me. I just met you, homie, you don't know me. Realest nigga, they like, no, he didn't. Pass the rock, I'm so Kobe with it. Married to the game, but you wasn't there for this here prenuptial. Cutthroat when you dead and gone, them niggas swear they fuck with you. When it's work involved, I call it light. So the curtains fall, is y'all alright? Keep my circle small, I'm talking tight. We was built for the only paint to struggle through this pen. Prada Gucci, I was dipped in, but nothing compares to this thick skin. Tryna reach the stars, defeat odds. Made a living off beats and bars. Stay humble, stay hungry, know your worth.
Believe in God.
Got something too real for y'all to understand. And leave it at that. Streets out.
Before I let you get it.
Hey, a certain line you don't cross, ambitions of a boss.
Before I let you get in my way.
Is it a crime for us to floss, ambitions of a boss?
Before I let you get in my way.
A certain line you don't cross, ambitions of a boss.
Before I let you get in my way.
Is it a crime for us to floss, ambitions of a boss?
Before I let you get in my way.
Everybody calling me up like, bruh, trying to get $1 million out me. I ain't got 2 dimes to rap together. Talking about don't forget about me. Never heard a man speak. Sold drugs in these Murderland streets. What else do you know about me other than I drop a video like every damn week? I got bills, nigga. Headache, Tylenol pills, nigga. I'm a man first, so I'm a grown man before I'm a real nigga. I can give a shit what y'all asking me. It's a business, bitch, I got a family. Y'all trip, don't even pot your lips unless I'm benefiting financially. I spit pure dope, it's equivalent to that girl at your nose, burning them old. Think about all of my friends that are turning to foes. I continue counting sheep. I swear to God, I ain't lose an ounce of sleep. We chasing dreams, but everything ain't what it seems. Know that? Was chasing fiends, block kings, even the queen's so cracked. I cut you off, it ain't my fault. Can't let you throw me off track. Might lose my train of thought. Jinx. Certain line you don't cross, ambitions of a boss.
Before I let you get in my way.
Is it a crime for us to floss, ambitions of a boss?
Before I let you get in my way.
A certain line you don't cross, ambitions of a boss.
Before I let you get in my way.
Is it a crime for us to floss, ambitions of a boss?
Before I let you get in my way.
Ambitions of a boss.
Before I let you get in my way.
Ambitions of a boss.